Hello everyone, welcome back to physical education class. My name is Shamsher Singh, physical education teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. As we discussed about chapter number 6, topic was physical activity. I hope you have understood this topic. Now we will start with the next term, adventure sports. Let's start the topic. Meaning of adventure sports. Adventure sports are such type of activities which involve extraordinary speed, height, a high level of physical exertion, high specialized gear, and surprising stunts. The adventure sports can be competitive or non competitive and often involve individual participation rather than team. These activities give a lot of excitement, thrill, and increase anxiety along with self esteem. These activities are also termed as extreme sports. These activities gained their popularity in 1960 onward. Nowadays, these activities are very popular, especially among youth and media, and it has increased the tourism industry to a new height. Next is definition of adventure sports. Adventure sports may be defined as outdoor sports or activities in which the participant competes in a natural environment more against himself or herself than against others. Adventure sports are activities where there is a high degree of risk to the participant. In fact, the definition of adventure sports is in its name. Some of these sports activities require more athletic ability than others, but it is a fact that all adventure sports need a strong mental attitude. According to web definition, adventure sports is a term for sports activities perceived as adventurous and that holds the element of exploration and discovery. According to Sports Adventure website, adventure sports have been best defined as outdoor sports or activities in which the participants complete in a natural environment more against themselves than against others. Next is common adventure sports activities. Some of the adventure sports are mountain climbing, rock climbing, trekking, river rafting, or whitewater rafting, and skydiving, dirt bike racing, base jumping, surfing, skateboarding, camping, etc. Next is objectives of adventure sports. First point is develops good level of physical fitness. It develops good level of fitness along with good health. Adventure sports are helpful in developing components of physical fitness like speed, flexibility, strength, endurance. To develop physical fitness is an important objective of adventure sports. Next point is to develop social qualities. Participation in adventure sports develops social qualities like sense of togetherness, helpfulness, adjustment, unity, sincerity, tolerance, sympathy, etc. After doing physical exert, an individual does not indulge in anti-social activities. Indulge mean पसंद करना. Next point is knowledge about the natural resources. Adventure sports help us to understand and give knowledge about different natural resources and their use. Next point is develop concentration. Developing concentration is an important objective of adventure sports. Through a series of risky experiences, each individual forms a habit of ability to concentrate. Next point is to develop self confidence. After doing challenging tasks, individuals become fearless. This removes the negative experience of frequent failure. In this way, these sports help to develop self confidence. Next is channelization of surplus energy. Adventure sports require high level of physical activity which provides the youth a positive and healthy channelization for their surplus energy. So, adventure sports are beneficial for the participants in their harmonious development. Next point is removal of mental tension and worries. Through adventure sports, worry and tension is removed. Adventure activities as a natural desire help an individual to forget the worries and tensions of life up to great extent. It develops in individual abilities to face stresses and strain of life. Next point is to have bonding with nature. Most of the adventure sports are outdoor activities which give participants ample opportunities to experience nature. The participants come closer to the nature. They have bonding with the nature. This bonding with nature provides exposure to natural environment. Next, material required for adventure sports. You should personalize your kit to meet your needs, activities, and situations. Blanket, bandage roll, flashlight, personal medication, water bottle, sunburn lotion, tissues, swimsuit, wetsuit, dry suit, sleeping bag, personal clothing, and items like toothbrush, etc. Clothing according to the weather and duration of stay. Dear students, you can write your own views or points also. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can call me, you can message me. At the end, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for joining me.